This author gets millions of views and earns tens of thousands of dollars. And guess what? It's all controlled by artificial intelligence. From titles, hashtag descriptions to content, everything is done with just a few mouse clicks. And I will teach you how to create more than 1,000 such videos in less than 5 minutes. We rely on 2 powerful artificial intelligence tools to run this. The first in line is the GPT chat. Once you log into the GPT chat, you will need to register to gain access. And as soon as you log in, you need to enter an invitation. I'll insert this invitation. Let me explain that we are essentially asking the GPT chat to generate packets of interesting facts. This is a 2-step process. The details format is optimized for comparability and accessibility for exchange. Trust me, this is exactly what you need to attract an audience on YouTube. To make sure that she understands what I want, I gave a lot of examples. So, in order not to waste time proofreading the answer, I asked to switch between various facts, including the psychology of relationships, the nature of a broken heart, a guy, a girl, and much more. In order not to get the same type of facts over and over again, and to simplify the task, I asked to make an answer in Excel format. So we can just copy and paste it into the next tool. After inserting the request, click Send Message and wait for the magic to happen. What you will get are columns of data representing the type of fact, the introductory line, and the highlight. You can adjust the numbers to improve the quality. I recommend generating anywhere from 30 to 50 facts at a time. If you request all 1,000 facts at once, the GPT chat will most likely give you garbage. You can get at the very least 100 facts at a time. Just do it little by little. Once you have generated all your facts, copy them and get ready for some magic. The second artificial intelligence tool that will finally get the job done is Canva. Canva.com, it will help you easily translate the generated facts into videos. Sign up for a free account. Find YouTube short films in the search bar, select an empty template, and update it. Once you do that, you can start creating your own videos. Scroll down to the video, type and find a waterfall or sunset, then select the surrounding background and drag it. Next, add text placeholders for the introductory line and highlights. They will be replaced with the actual data immediately after loading. You can do this by simply dragging a text string. Add a title option to the video, then adjust it the way you want. To create something like the channel I showed you at the beginning of the video, align the text in the middle. Now edit a little, change the color of the text, and add a background for a more expressive look. Click on the coloring option, choose a color, for example, white. Then select the effect option, add a background, choose a color, in this case black. You can change the font to make it unique. For the opening and climax line, simply duplicate the text twice, remove the background, and place them under each other. Change the font to give each line a unique look. Add timekeeping to the text by right-clicking and selecting Show Timekeeping. Adjust it to half of the clip so that the text is displayed only for a certain time. To create more videos, you can just copy them and then just change all the text and background so that you have a new video. It's not difficult, it won't take you much time, but you will have quite a lot of videos. Here is the result of some of the videos we just created. So as you can see, you can literally automate the video creation process with this method and a template configured in Canva with data connected to quickly create batches of short videos. The next step is to export these videos and upload them to the platform you need. Canva offers direct integration with platforms like YouTube, or you can upload videos manually. This method is especially effective if you want to interest your audience with frequent content updates without spending hours watching each video. Remember that the key here is to have quality content that fits well with your brand's concept, message, and aesthetics. Automating the content creation process can save you a significant amount of time and help you focus on other important aspects of your channel. Here's how you can automate the process of creating video content in a short form. Now keep implementing this strategy and let the content appear. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click on the bell icon to join me in the wake of my training programs. Analyze and repeat step by step with me. Grow and prosper. Let's make this world a better place together.